movie theater manager. Anna is going into her junior year, so she's about 16. Her mother wasn't going to let her take it because her grades were questionable. I'm not mad. So if your grades are out of pocket, your parents are not going to break down and pay for the classes. It's expensive. Doing great. Keep going. We on the interstate. A lot of people, when I first started just making content, drive on the interstate. This is the interstate. You just got to stay focused, attention. If you're tired, you go to a rest stop. If you're at a fourth of a tank, you get gas. You don't hang around semi-trucks. You want to stay out of the way of each other. I used to get questions like that. What is the difference between an expressway, highway? A highway is usually lower speeds, about 55. That's a highway. Expressway has speeds over 55. We are definitely on expressway because we're 70. Even though this is a 2-lane, some are 4, some are 6, some are 8. Been down to Houston, Texas, there's 6 lanes, really high elevated bridges, crazy. Been to Iowa, Michigan, Chicago, California, been through Atlanta, Georgia. We're doing great. And then of course you'll get fatigued. It's called velocization. We're driving at high speed, and then eventually, you'll just feel like you're moving really fast. So he's cruising at 70, and he's slowly getting velocitized. We're at 70. Cars are just leaving us, bro. But I think more instructors need to, post more videos, training videos. How do you fix a tire, put gas in? How do you windows? How do you fix your windshield wiper? A lot of the stuff out here is really old and it's just not serving the community as much as it should. You're doing great. Keep going. There's a semi-truck behind us. You haven't seen that truck because he's really keeping it. But the closer we get to the Canadian border, you're going to see. But also the Donald Trump tariffs may have impacted some of this. There's usually a lot more semi-trucks. Check that. That's good. Doing great. It's just looking ahead, aiming high. There's a car coming up in our blind spot. I just happened to see it. You're good, brother. That's why you got to pay attention. Not you, but you're doing good. Keep eating, bro. Keep driving. But I used to take this route all the time. Drive 3 or 4 students. I was chasing money, and it wasn't really worth it because the biggest thing we have to give another human is our time. So 3 or 4 kids, $50, $60 a kid, it wasn't really worth it. Coming home exhausted. So driving about 25 every 6 weeks. I could do 30, but I would really be super tired. Next year, I'm already thinking about that. Maybe do a second segment 1 class, maybe 10 to 15. But I really have to be on top of my time management because you do have to rest and get off your feet, hydrate, recharge, stay on top of your doctor's visits. The car could, need maintenance, oil changes. Flat tires do happen. Not manifesting a flat tire right now, so I'm not even gonna think about it. But if it did happen, we just have to change it. And then sometimes people have different schedules, so I have to be really supportive. Every kid or adult can't drive 7, but I've been starting 8 in the morning, so that's been really helpful for me. Normally I'm